In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can delete your TikTok story on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your TikTok app. So after opening the TikTok, you have to go to your profile. You have to click on this profile icon here. After doing so, what you have to do, you have to click on your profile to see the story. So after opening the story, you have to select the story that you want to delete from your TikTok. So to do so, you have to just swipe up here. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So to delete your story, you have to just swipe up here. Okay, just like this. Then a option will pop up, the deletion option, the bin option here. Then you have to click on this option here. Then a reconfirmation will be pop up. You have to click on delete. Then your story will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your TikTok story from your TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.